Space is supposed to be full of galaxies, full of stars, full of light. But scientists discovered a region in the universe that is almost completely empty. A giant cosmic void known as the cold spot. First detected in 2004 while studying ancient radiation left behind by the Big Bang. This mysterious region stretches across nearly 2 billion light-years. And according to modern physics, it shouldn't exist. The cold spot appears inside the cosmic microwave background, the oldest light in the universe, a faint glow left over from the birth of everything. But one area stood out immediately. Darker, colder, emptier, a mysterious. Almost like a massive piece of the universe is missing. Some scientists believe it's caused by a gigantic cosmic void, containing far fewer galaxies than normal. As light travels through this emptiness, it may lose energy, creating the strange cold region we detect today. But there's a problem. Even the largest known voids may not fully explain it. Which leads to a far more disturbing